are you? So today I want to read you, I'm here in the garden, and I want to tell you that we bought this beautiful plant, and it's milkweed, and it attracts butterflies. So I'm going to read you a book called Monarch Butterflies by Gail Gibbons. A monarch butterfly settles on the leaf of a milkweed plant, just like this one. She gently presses a tiny egg onto one of its leaves. The egg is the beginning of another. It's summertime in the north. A breeze steers the stern of the milkweed plant. The monarch egg is white and shiny. It is the size of a small dot and sticks to the leaf. There it is, very tiny. When the butterfly lays the egg, she makes it sticky. Wind and rain cannot make the egg come loose. In a few days, the egg hatches. Out crawls a small caterpillar, also called a larva. First, the caterpillar eats the eggshell and then chews away at the milkweed leaf. The egg of the monarch is almost always laid on a milkweed plant, and the plant will be its first food. The caterpillar eats and grows and begins to change. It breaks out of its old skin, showing a new skin underneath. This is called molting. For 2 weeks, the caterpillar eats and eats. It molts about 5 times. Finally, it is full-grown monarch caterpillar, about 2 inches long. Now something wonderful begins to happen, and this is the fun part. The caterpillar creeps to the stem of a leaf. It attaches itself to the stem and drops down head first. The caterpillar bright colors become greenish. There it is. Then the skin splits and moves up to the top, and the skin falls off. A new strange from appears. It's called the chrysalis or pupa. The chrysalis is like a little blanket that is wrapped around the body, growing inside. At first, the chrysalis is long and soft. Then it shrinks and hardens, and then it becomes light green, decorated with gold dots. Inside, the monarch butterfly begins to grow. About 2 weeks later, the chrysalis changes again. It turns gray-green before becoming transparent. Inside are white dots and orange and black lines. The chrysalis wiggles. Then it splits open. Then the butterfly begins to pull itself out. The head and the legs appear first, and then the rest of it slides out. There it is. The wings are tiny and stuck together, and the butterfly's abdomen is big. The abdomen becomes smaller when its fluid is pumped into the wings. The wings become bigger. A caterpillar has turned into a butterfly. This is called metamorphosis. Those are big words, metamorphosis and chrysalis. The butterfly sits quietly for a few hours, waiting for its wings to dry and harden. At last, they begin to move slowly and then beat faster and faster. The butterfly flutters up towards the sky. Monarchs have a bad taste and will make a bird or animal sick if they are eaten, so most of them are left alone. Did you know that? There are many parts of the butterfly. There's the scales, this is the wing, there's the little head, the feelers or the antennas, and they have this little tube to the mouth. It's called proboscis. It sucks up the sweet juice called nectar from the flowers. There's the legs, the abdomen, the thorax. The monarch butterfly only flies during the day. When it rains, the butterfly stays dry, hidden under the leaves. There it is, hiding. Fall is on its way. Soon it will be cold. If the monarch butterfly doesn't fly south, it will die. Once again, it darts up into the sky. The butterfly will take a long trip to a warmer place. This is called migration. Another big word, my friends, migration. The monarch will fly to where its ancestors have always gone, sometimes to the very same tree. Other monarchs keep appearing, making a cloud of orange in the sky. At night, they rest in the trees. Sometimes they fly up to 12 miles an hour and almost 100 miles in one day. There could be over 1,000 butterflies traveling together. They fly to places such as Florida, Southern California, Mexico. Some butterflies migrate 4,000 miles. They will stay south throughout the winter. Some towns and cities are proud to have the butterflies visit them. They have festivals to celebrate their arrival. Children dress up for parades in butterfly costume. Sometimes there's a band and visitors come from all around. Monarchs can cluster together. Thousands of them cling to one tree, a butterfly tree. In the spring, these butterflies will migrate north again to the fields of milkweed plants. So my friends, we have these beautiful milkweed. I hope we get butterflies. And then when fall comes, we have to cut it. That's what they told us, to cut this plant. And then when they come back, they'll come back to the milkweed. Thank you. Bye.